How to make a payment from your patient portal using the MyO mobile app. Click on the MyO app icon to launch the app. Enter your username and password and click Next. Click on the 3 lines at the top right of your screen. Select Billing. Select Make a Payment. Next, we will add a new card. Tap here to enter new card. If you already have a card on file, then you may select Use an existing card on file. Give your card a nickname. The nickname may be any name of your choosing. Enter the card number. Enter the expiration date. Once you have selected the correct month and year, click Set to lock in your choice. Enter the CVV code found on the back of your card. Click Use this card. Check Save this card if you want to save it for later use. Enter the amount of your payment. Click Set. Click Next. Click Yes, confirm this payment. Click OK, all done here. Click the 3 lines at the top right and select Sign Out.